In this video, we're going to have a look at time. Time is different from other measurements because it is not based on powers of 10. Say we had a certain number of seconds and we wanted to know what that was in minutes. We would divide by 60 because there's 60 seconds in a minute. Again, if we had a certain number of minutes and we wanted to know what that was in hours, we would take the minutes and divide by 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. But going from hours to days, we know there's 24 hours in a day. That is a full Earth rotation. So to take the hours to days, we would divide by 24. And being 7 days in a week, to convert from days to weeks, we would divide by 7. Going the other way, we would multiply. So if we had a certain number of weeks and we wanted to know how many days, we multiply by 7. Days to hours, we multiply by 24. Hours to minutes, multiply by 60, and minutes to seconds, multiply by 60. Now we can record time in AM and PM time, or 24-hour. AM refers to ante-meridiem, which is Latin for before noon. PM refers to post-meridiem, which is Latin for afternoon. So 12 AM usually refers to midnight, and 12 PM usually refers to midday. If we had 5:30 AM, in 24-hour, we would write it as 05:30. If we had 5:30 PM, we would add on the 12 hours from midday and write in 24-hour time as 17:30. That is 17 hours and 30 minutes after midnight. Often one difficult thing to do with time is to calculate the time elapsed. Our example, a student went to sleep at 9:17 PM and woke at 6:49 AM. How long did they sleep for? The best thing to do is to build up to the nearest hour using a timeline. So not to scale, we'll say that they went to sleep at 9:17 PM and they woke at 6:49 AM. So we're going to build to the nearest hour. So to get to 10 PM, from 9:17 to 10 PM, we would add 43 minutes. And now let's go to midnight. To get from 10 PM to midnight, we would add 2 hours. To get from 12 to 6 AM, we would add 6 hours. And to go from 6 to 6:49, we'd have 49 minutes. So we have a total of 43 minutes plus 2 hours plus 6 hours plus 49 minutes. Let's add the minutes together first. 43 minutes plus 49 minutes. Given that that's 92 minutes, we would say it is 1 hour and 32 minutes. Now let's add all our hours. We have 2 hours plus 6 hours, 8 hours, plus our other hour there is 9 hours, and our 32 minutes. So the trick is to build up to the nearest hour to solve those time elapsed problems.